Welcome to Crypto Horizon. Today, we're diving into the world of BingX and how you can make the most of your trading experience with a special referral code for new users in 2025. If you're looking to start your cryptocurrency journey or enhance your trading strategies, BingX is the perfect platform for you. As a new user, you have the unique opportunity to benefit from using the referral code CHUCHU. This code not only unlocks exclusive perks, but also enhances your overall trading experience. By applying the referral code CHUCHU during your registration, you'll gain access to a variety of bonuses, such as reduced trading fees and special promotions that can help boost your profits. Imagine saving more on transactions while maximizing your market gains. This is what using a referral code can offer. BingX stands out with its innovative trading features, including copy trading and a user-friendly interface, making it accessible for both beginners and seasoned traders. The platform supports numerous cryptocurrencies, giving you the flexibility to diversify your portfolio. And with the help of the referral code CHUCHU, your trading experience will become even more rewarding. In addition, BingX is known for its robust security measures and 24/7 customer support, ensuring you're always in safe hands while trading your favorite cryptocurrencies. Joining this vibrant trading community allows you to stay informed about market trends, access educational resources, and connect with like-minded traders. So, what are you waiting for? Sign up for BingX using the referral code CHUCHU today and start your trading journey with incredible benefits. Don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your trades and enjoy the perks designed just for you. Thank you for joining us at Crypto Horizon. Remember to use the code CHUCHU when signing up for BingX for an enhanced trading experience in 2025. Happy trading!